Hi children, again we are meeting and we are continuing with the constructions that we did in the last two lessons. Now last two lessons we did perpendicular bisectors and bisecting angles, then drawing perpendiculars and so on. Today I want to do an exercise where all these constructions are there. We'll start from the beginning. First of all, construct a line PQ. I'll use the word draw. Draw a line PQ 12 centimeters long. So what you do is, as I told you before, draw a line like this, draw a line like that, then take 12 centimeters from the compass and cut an arc here, cut an arc here. So this is line PQ, 12 centimeters long. So you must know the exact way how to construct the line. Then after that, take a point B 2 centimeters from P. Take a point B 2 centimeters away from P. Take point B 2 centimeters away from P. That is, from P you take 2 centimeters here. This way or that way you can take. So here again with the compass, take 2 centimeters and cut out like this, and PQ. Or you can take here even B 2 centimeters here. Now we have drawn the line PQ, and they are asked to take the point B, which is 2 centimeters from P. So what we do is, from here draw an arc here 2 centimeters and B will be here. So next thing you have to do is draw perpendicular to PQ from B. Draw a perpendicular to PQ from B. So we know how to draw a perpendicular from a point on the line. So what you do is, we keep the compass point here, draw 2 arcs like this, and from these 2 arcs draw another 2 arcs like that. So after that we join B at this point. Something like that. Okay. So take a point, draw perpendicular to PQ from B. So we have drawn a perpendicular to PQ from B. Next one. Take a point C on the perpendicular such that BC equals 6 centimeters. Now these are the type of instructions, children, that you get in the mathematics paper and geometry and all that. So you should be able to get use of this mathematical language. So that's why I am giving these sentences like this. First of all, draw a line PQ 7 centimeters. Take point B 2 centimeters away from P. Draw perpendicular to PQ from P. These are the construction. I told you construction is a sure sum. For the last 10-15 years, every paper has been having a sum on construction. So these are the language that they use. So draw perpendicular to PQ from B. Take a point C. Take a point C on the perpendicular such that BC equals 6. How to get 6? BC equals 6. So so take 6 centimeters from the compass, and from B draw a line, draw an arc to cut the line. So this is 6 centimeters. How did you do that? Take 6 centimeters from the compass, and from here draw an arc to cut the line, to cut the perpendicular. Then that is, so C will be coming here. Then we'll take the next one. Join CQ. fifth point is join CQ. Now C is here, Q is here, you keep the ruler and join like this. CQ. So we have joined CQ. Get the middle point of CQ by drawing the, okay, sixth one. Get the midpoint of CQ by drawing the perpendicular bisector of CQ. Now we want to get the midpoint of CQ. So how to, with the ruler we don't normally do it. The safest way will be the consecutive method. You draw the perpendicular of CQ. How to draw the perpendicular of CQ? With the compass, keep the compass here, and with the pencil draw an arc. And two arcs like this. Perpendicular bisector, we know how to draw two arcs. And from here, draw with the same length, draw another two arcs like that. Then when you join this, you will be getting the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular. This line is perpendicular and it is bisecting the line CQ. So if you measure these two sides, it will be equal. Now get the middle point. So we have got the point with the point of CQ by drawing the bisector of CQ and call it O. This is O. So up to now, what did we do, children? First of all, we do the line PQ. Then we took 2 centimeters from P away from B and call it B. This point is 2 centimeters from B. Then what did we do? We do a perpendicular from B to the line PQ. That is drawing a perpendicular from point on the line, and we do that. And after that, we have to get C, the point C, which is on the perpendicular 6 centimeters away. So from here, compass and draw an arc here 6 centimeters. Then we are asked to join CQ. And after that, they are asking to get the perpendicular bisector of CQ, get the center of the CQ by drawing the perpendicular bisector of CQ. So what you do is we draw two arcs like that, and here same length two arcs, and join that, we get the perpendicular bisector. Draw a circle with center O and radius OB. How to do that? That is, we keep the compass here and measure this length OB, and then draw a circle. You will notice that the circle will go through all these 3 points. Come like this. We have drawn it accurately, that we have got the perpendicular bisector correctly here. That point, when you take OB as radius with the compass, you take with the compass OB radius, and then you draw the perpendicular bisector. You draw the circle from here, and it will go through exactly from Q and C here. C and Q. So the circle will go through B, Q and C. We have drawn it accurately. So I told you, when you are drawing the construction, your pencil has to be very, very sharp, and so that you will be able to measure even a millimeter and or 1 degree. The next point is, draw the perpendicular bisector of BQ. 8. Draw the perpendicular bisector of BQ. Now where is BQ? This is BQ. Now you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of BQ. How to do that? Like how we did here, how do we do from here and here we do to arc for this one. So same way, from here draw an arc and draw an arc, and here draw an arc and draw an arc, and join this. So this is the perpendicular bisector of BQ. Now this exercise is to practice all the things that we studied, and after that, finally draw the perpendicular bisector of CQ. Draw the perpendicular line. Draw the perpendicular to CQ from B. CQ from B. That is, you have to draw the CQ is this line, you have to draw the perpendicular from B to CQ. So this is like what we did earlier. You have to draw perpendicular from a point outside the line. Now this is the point outside, this is the line. So from here, give the compass metal point here and draw an arc. And from these 2 points, draw 2 arcs. And join that. So this is the perpendicular for this. Now when you look at this, there will be a jungle of arcs. You can see arcs everywhere, but you must not erase any arc, because when the examiner sees how you constructed the line, all the proofs should be there. Proofs are the arcs of the construction. So this is how you draw the perpendicular from B to CQ. This is all for today, children. I hope you have understood the lesson. Please subscribe.